You see, because you're living in a non-Muslim country, that's why you are facing this dilemma. How can I give an example of that? In our country, you do. Because people will hear a person, he had died in the hospital. They will all the time come to the hospital and will wait for him to be going to the place where he's going to be washed, and until the place is going to be. We have that very easy. I mean, understandable in our Muslim country. But here, unfortunately, is sometimes the access. If you have the intention, Ikhwani, to have that, inshallah, Allah will reward you for that intention. There are lots of things that in the non-Muslim countries it's not going to be available for you. Like, for example, coming in the first hours of the Jummah. It's not available for you here. The masjid opens 1 hour before the Jummah, where the other masajid in the Muslim countries are open from the morning. Early you could come. Could stay from the Fajr until the Jummah. The masjid is open. But it's not available here. So you, with your hope and your intention, inshallah you get that. Now, definitely if it's your family, you will be with him. It's one of your families, but you will be with him all the time. Now.